Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling the steam warmers coming with the 3 individual sections. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit is about like a 13 and 1/4 inches wide and about like a 22 inches deep. And the overall height, they are almost about like a 9.5 inches tall. From the unit space, we can see they do having these power switchers, and they can change the temperatures. You can see the level settings and the indicator lights switcher right here. And they do having this unit standard 110 plugs. And behind of the units, we come in with the manufacturer stickers, and also they notified that this have the ETL sanitation certified. So we can take a look closer to see the dimension of the pantries. As we can see, they come in with the 3 top lids, and when we open the one of those, actually they come in with all the same dimensions, made by all stainless steels, food grade, and dimensions for the inner side it's about like a 12 inches long and 6 inches wide, and about 6 inches deep too. So this is for the container of the pantries. For the inner side, we can see they have a markers to show you the levels about how many waters you can put in, and they give you the minimums and maximum. And for the dimensions right here, inner side space about like a 12 inches wide and almost about like a 20 inches long and about like a 6 and 1/4 inches deep too. That will be all demonstration information about these products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.